In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a deal from HubSpot. Managing your deals efficiently is crucial, and sometimes that involves deleting deals that are no longer relevant. Whether you need to clear up space or just want to keep your records tidy, understanding how to properly delete a deal in HubSpot is essential. Let's dive right into the process and make it as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to start by logging into your HubSpot account. Open your preferred web browser, navigate to the HubSpot login page, and enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot dashboard, which serves as the starting point for accessing a wide range of tools and functionalities. Now, to locate the deals you want to manage, you'll need to head to the CRM section. Look towards the top of the screen, where you'll see a navigation menu. Click on CRM, and then, from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Deals. This will take you to the Deals section, where you can view and manage all the deals you have in your HubSpot account. Once you're in the Deals section, it's time to find the specific deal you want to delete. Browse through the list of deals displayed or use the search functionality to quickly locate it. When you've found the deal in question, click on it to select it. This action will highlight the deal, making sure you're ready for the next step. Once you have the deal selected, cast your eyes above the table displaying your deals. Here, you will see several options, one of which is Delete. Give this Delete option a click. HubSpot has designed this process to be user-friendly, ensuring you won't accidentally remove important information. At this point, HubSpot will prompt you to confirm the deletion. A confirmation window will pop up, and this is where you need to decide how you wish to proceed. You have two choices here. First, you can opt to delete the deal, knowing that HubSpot allows you to restore it within 90 days if you change your mind. This is a great feature for those who might not be entirely sure about permanently removing a deal. Alternatively, if you're certain that this deal should be removed forever, you can choose to permanently delete it, which means after 90 days, it will be gone for good. And there you have it. You now know how to efficiently delete a deal in HubSpot. Understanding these steps will help keep your CRM clean and organized. Be sure to consider your decision carefully, especially if you choose to permanently delete a deal, as this action cannot be undone after the 90-day window. If you have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.